Why am I making broccoli celery soup? It's easy for me to explain it. The celery it takes more calories for the body to burn up the celery than the value of the calories in celery. So first we're going to, you see all the ribs? I peel these. Even though it's going to go into the Cuisinart, I want it even smoother. That's why I peel them. And there's the broccoli. This is only going to take a few minutes. I'm just sweating it up. And the onion. The garlic. Eighth of a teaspoon of ground bay leaves. If you have fresh bay leaves, use them. When I was in California years ago, they had fresh bay leaves there. I don't know where they are here in New York. They're probably someplace. So just, we're going to sweat this up. And the reason why I'm making this is because I have too much celery and too much broccoli in the refrigerator. So before it goes bad, why not make a soup? And especially when it's getting cool out now, this is a great time of year. So let's sweat this up. And also, potato is going to go into this. That's a thickening agent. I don't want to use flour. And why don't I want to use flour? Because it's white. And you're supposed to stay away from anything that's white. If you're a little overweight or a lot overweight and you want to lose weight. So that's why. Banging, making noise, people get upset. Well, what do you do? That's what you do in a regular kitchen. What am I supposed to do? Put my finger here and then tap on my finger? You gotta live with it, you know? That's it. Now I'm gonna add the potatoes. This is so easy, and it's gonna be tasty. Celery tastes good, and so do, and broccoli's delicious and healthy for you. I sweated that up just a couple of minutes. Now, without spilling this, because I have a quart, I'm doing this on the fly, meaning I've never done, you know, the amounts. I hope it's correct what I have. If not, I make adjustments, and the adjustments will be in the description. So there's the hot chicken broth. Don't use bouillon cubes, please. They're horrible. There's a couple of wet soups, chicken broth. I used to buy College Inn beef and chicken are pretty good. But now I found that this one from Costco, this chicken broth, is really good. But nothing can compare to a fresh chicken soup. So if you have the time to do that, make chicken soup, fresh chicken, and then you can make this. But the flavors, and I think I did the right amount of everything. As you can see, what we're going to do here is just allow this to come to a boil and simmer it until everything is soft. I don't have to waste film on that. This has been simmering for 20 minutes. Let's see how soft we are. I'm going to go more. Another 10 minutes. Now, if I was using my brains earlier, I would have diced this stuff up smaller so I could use my speed stick. But now, I have to let this cool a little bit and put it in the Cuisinart, making more of a mess. But that's life. So 10 more minutes. So it's 15. That'll be 25 minutes. Now I'll just let this cool for about, I don't know, 45 minutes. I don't like to put it hot into the Cuisinart. I might even use a blender. Well, whatever I'm going to do, I'm allowing that to cool. Shut that off and go away. So I just said, a minute after I said what I said about letting it cool, I go, hell no. I'm not going to wait. That wasn't a horse, that was my phone. So I go, I'll put part of it in this pot and let it go. And I'm going, just to give you an idea of how the consistency is. Look at that, it's beautiful. So now what I have to do is take this out of here, add the rest of it in there, blend it, and then put it all together and taste it. If you like celery and you like broccoli, you will love this. A few minutes there, all done. And if you don't have the speed stick, you have to wait and put it in the Cuisinart when it's warm, or blend it. Now let's serve it. Look at the consistency. That's perfect. And it looks like a cream soup. And to finish it off, have a few pieces of cooked broccoli. And there you go. And the yield, the amount, will be listed in the description. And don't forget, if you go to chefrobertcorey.com, I have a lot of my videos listed. Not finished yet, but there's a lot there. And there's the amount, just shy of 2 quarts.